Hi, I want to show you some children watches with GPS function in it. Unfortunately, of the 3 ordered watches, only one has a real GPS in it. So be warned, if you really want precise positioning, you have to buy one with GPS function, and I can show you how to tell if there is a GPS function or not. First, you can see it, I think, on this symbol. This is a working one. It's working normally. And this is one without GPS. And you can see there some kind of, with my thumb, you can see some kind of symbol that says something like disconnected or something. Both watches without a real GPS in it show this symbol. The one with the GPS doesn't. So maybe that's one indication. I opened one of the watches without GPS, and you can see here that this is really empty. On the other watches, the other one with the GPS, there's a small PCB and the antenna positioned here with a small cable going right there to a connector. So internally they're really different. But you can also see it from the outside. On this watch there's a small window for a sensor if the kid takes the watch off or on. Through this watch you can see some metal foil, and that metal foil is covering the GPS antenna. It's hard to see, but it's there. Some silver colored foil. And on this one, I hope it's clear. Yes, it's quite clear. It's just empty. There's nothing to see. And through this window I saw some red framing, but there's no GPS inside. This box contained the working model, and the other 2 boxes are some kind of fake, non-working watches. They can make a positioning by the LBS mode based on the base stations of the GPS of the GSM signal from the cell network, but it's not accurate.